Getty Theatre is an iconic piece of Gothic architecture located at the Mall in Shimla city. It was built in 1887 and it was opened for public for staging the play and performances on 30th of May in 1887. The theatre was cultural nerve center of the British. The top officials, Viceroy, Commander-in-Chief, Lieutenant Governor of Punjab, the people like them used to come and watch the plays, or they even participated in production of the plays at this place. Getty Theatre had plays staged by Armature Dramatics Club, which was a world-renowned club of the artists and stage performers. ADC held its first event on 9th June 1888 at this place. Thereafter, the club held regular events at this theatre. Here, Viceroy Lord Lytton wrote and staged a play called Walpole in 1878. Lord Dufferin took keen interest in production of a play in 1885. Lord Auckland's sister Emily Eden gives a good amount of dynamics within ADC Armature Dramatic Club in 1837 in her diary. Those the pseudonymous writer on Shimla calls ADC members as actors by profession who had taken government job for pastime. Five-story Getty Theatre was designed by famous British architect Henry Irwin. Irwin had earlier designed the beautiful, famous, pompous Viceroy Regal Lodge in Shimla, which is now called Indian Institute of Advanced Studies. The theatre was a marvelous piece of architecture and it then dominated Shimla's skyline. The Getty Theatre building housed a theatre, a ballroom, armory, municipal office, police office, bar, clock room, galleries, etc. Its wardrobes and props were the best in the world. In 1896, electric light was first introduced at the theatre and the gas light which was used there was replaced. After nearly 2 decades of its establishment, in 1907, it was found that the structure was not stable and it could collapse. Stone used in its construction was unstable and not sturdy. Because of this, in 1911, the top floor, the 5th floor of Getty Theatre was removed and the structure stayed with only 4 floors. The list of those who perform at Getty Theatre is long and illustrious. The big names include Nobel laureate Rudyard Kipling, founder of the Boy Scout movement Baden-Powell, and well-known artist and painter Amrita Shergill. Famous singer and superstar K.L. Sehgal, Nasiruddin Shah, Anupam Kher, Udit Narayan, Mohit Chauhan, Shreya Ghoshal and many other top singers and performers perform at a stage at Getty Theatre. In fact, K.L. Sehgal made his first public performance and appearance at a stage at the Getty Theatre. He was working in Shimla as a salesman of the typewriter company Remington. The theatre was closed in 2003 for renovation and it was opened in June 2009 after its renovation and refurbishing, which was done at the cost of rupees 15 crore. The theatre has an exhibition hall, an art gallery, a multi-purpose hall, an amphitheatre and an old theatre hall. A part of the theatre is with the ADC, which is used as a club and is under the ownership of the army officers. It is the only Gothic theatre in Asia and it is one of the total 6 Gothic theatres all over the world. Thank you very much for watching this video.